So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make one of these bowls from a piece of walnut like this one. So this bowl, as you can see, looks really nice. Has some cool grain patterns in it. It's a great looking bowl. The only downside about it was this with this log, it had been sitting outside for a long time, so it has some natural defects in it. So you can see it has some piece missing and some cracks. But other than that, this is an amazing project to build. And I'm gonna be building bowls like these and spoons like these with my Epic students. So if you wanna see how I built this from start to finish, keep watching this video and I'll show you how it's done. Really happy with how this bowl turned out. Just a couple deep cracks that were unavoidable due to this sitting too long outside, but it looks great. So my Epic students are going to be building bowls and spoons just like these. So it's a nice project and they'll have lots of fun doing it.